A long time ago, in a land filled with valleys and hills, the Israelites and Philistines were at war. On one side of the battlefield stood the army of Israel. On the other side, the mighty Philistines. Every morning, a giant named Goliath stepped forward. He was over 9 feet tall, covered in heavy armor, and his booming voice shook the valley. He shouted,
"Bring forth your bravest warrior to face me."
But Israel's soldiers trembled in fear. Among them was a young shepherd boy named David. He wasn't a soldier, just a boy who cared for sheep. But David trusted God with all his heart. When he heard Goliath mocking God's people, David said,
"Who is this giant to defy the living God? I will stand against him."
The king tried to give David armor, but it was too heavy. David shook his head.
"I don't need this. The Lord will deliver me."
He picked up 5 smooth stones from a stream and carried only his sling. As David walked onto the battlefield, Goliath laughed.
"Do you think I'm a dog, that you come against me with sticks?"
But David stood firm and shouted back,
"You come to me with sword and spear, but I come to you in the name of the Lord Almighty."
Then David reached into his bag, placed a stone in his sling, and swung it with all his might. The stone flew through the air and struck Goliath right on the forehead. Giant fell face down with a crash that echoed across the valley. The Philistines ran in fear, and Israel's army shouted in victory. David, the shepherd boy, had defeated the giant not with strength or weapons, but with faith in God. This story reminds us, no matter how big the challenges in life may seem, God's power is great.
Have you ever wished you could share the stories of the Bible in a way that truly touches hearts and at the same time create a real income stream? Imagine this: beautiful 3D animated Bible stories reaching people all over the world, inspiring faith and earning thousands of dollars every month through YouTube AdSense. Sounds impossible? It's not. People are already doing it, and today I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. In this video, I'll take you step by step through creating high-quality animated Bible stories using AI. I'll also give you 4 ready-to-use prompts that help you write engaging scripts, generate eye-catching visuals, animate your scenes, and keep your characters consistent from start to finish. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start posting your own Bible story animations that can inspire people and generate income. Step 1. Generate story ideas. First, we're going to use ChatGPT to come up with story ideas and generate our script. To make it easy, I've prepared ready-to-use prompts so you don't have to start from scratch. Head to the description, copy prompt 1, and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt will give you biblically accurate story ideas, neatly organized by Bible passage and message. Each suggestion includes a title, a moral lesson, and a short summary. Scroll through and pick the story that speaks to you. I'm choosing the 5th one. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and before you click Generate, grab prompt 2 from the description. Paste it right below your story title. This prompt will turn your story into a short, powerful script, about 1 to 3 minutes long. You can tweak the length later if needed. Once ChatGPT generates the script, copy it into a Google Doc. This will make it much easier to work with in the next steps. Step 2. Ensure character consistency. One of the most important parts of storytelling is keeping your characters consistent. Copy prompt 3 from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt scans your story, identifies all the characters, and gives detailed descriptions of how each should look. Copy these character details into a new Google Doc. Now we have both the story and the character descriptions ready. Step 3. Create image prompts. Next, we'll create image prompts for every scene. Copy prompt 4 from the description into ChatGPT. Then go through your story line by line. For example,
on one side of the battlefield stood the army of Israel.
Paste this into ChatGPT. It will generate a scene analysis, list the characters, and provide a detailed image prompt. Next line.
On the other side, the mighty Philistines.
Repeat this for all sentences. By the end, you'll have detailed prompts for every scene, keeping visuals accurate and characters consistent. Step 4. Generate characters in Dzine. Dzine AI has released a breakthrough update. Now you can bring multiple characters to life in one scene, with perfect lip sync and fluid body movements. And it works for humans, animals, cartoons, or any non-human characters, making your scenes truly alive. First, sign in to your Dzine AI account. Don't have one? There's a link in the description. Click New Project, give it a name, and select your aspect ratio. For YouTube, I'll choose 16.9. Hit Apply, and your workspace will open. On the left, you'll see all the key tools: Image Generator, Video Generator, Consistent Character Tool, Lip Sync Tool, and more. Click Character. We're going to train Dzine AI to maintain consistency for our custom characters. Pick a style. I'll choose Dzine 3D Render.
Now head over to Google Docs, where we have pasted the character descriptions. Copy the description of the first character, then return to Dzine AI and paste it into the prompt box.
Set the aspect ratio to 16.9, switch to HQ mode, and click Generate. Your character images are now ready, visualized from all angles. Not happy with the first version? Hit Generate again until you're satisfied. Once you're happy, select the image, click Build Character, name it, and hit Start Training. Dzine AI will now maintain consistency for that character.
Let's jump to the next character. Click on Build Character, now select Training Mode. Then select Start with a description. Enter your second character's name. Now paste the description of your character. Select a style for your character. Click on Generate Character. Repeat this process for all the characters in your script.
Step 5.
Now it's time to create images for all the scenes, making sure our characters stay consistent. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we generated. Paste the ChatGPT prompt in the character action and scene prompt box. Tag the character who will appear in this image to ensure consistency. Set the output. Quality 272p, as this consumes only 15 credits. Aspect ratio 16:9. Now hit Generate. The visuals look stunning. Now repeat the process for the next scene. Copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the character action and scene prompt box. To maintain consistency, tag the character assigned to this scene. Set the output quality to 720p and the aspect ratio to 16:9, then hit Generate. Repeat this process to generate the rest of the visuals.
Step 6. Add lip sync and voices. Now let's bring our characters to life. Click Lip Sync. A dialog box will appear where you can select which faces speak and who goes first. For this demo, the first character speaks. Select the face
And the aspect ratio to 16:9.
Hit Next, and we're in the voice editor. Click Pick a Voice, type in the dialogue.
Select a voice.
Hit Generate, and then play to preview it.
Bring forth your bravest warrior to face me.
Now, select Pro and click Generate.
Bring forth your bravest warrior to face me.
The lip sync is flawless and perfectly aligned. To replicate this for the remaining visuals, follow these steps. Navigate to lip sync. Select a face, click Next, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Proceed to pick a voice. Paste the dialogue. Select the desired voice option and click Generate.
Who is this giant to defy the living God? I will stand.
Now, select Pro and click Generate.
Who is this giant to defy the living God? I will stand against him.
Step 7. Convert images to video.
All right, let's get back to the workspace. First, look for the option that says AI video and click on it. You'll see a list of video generator models. Take your time, here browse through them. For this example, I'm going to select Minimax Hailu. Once you've chosen your model, you'll get a prompt box. Type in your prompt carefully. This is where you describe exactly what you want the video to look like. After that, you'll see an option to select a camera movement. Pick the one that best fits your scene, don't rush. Try a few if you like. And finally, once everything looks good, click on Generate. Then, just sit back and let the AI create the video for you.
Repeat for all your images. Your video clips are now ready. Step 7. Add the narrator voiceover. Before we fully edit the video, let's add a narrator's voice. Head to CapCut.com and click Create New. Then, click on Text-to-Speech. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the narrator's dialogue that you want for your video. Paste it into the text-to-speech box. You'll see a bunch of voices to choose from. Click and listen to see which one matches your narrator's tone best. Once you've selected the voice, click Generate. Now you have a professional-sounding narrator ready to sync with your video clips. Step 8. Editing in CapCut. Now we'll bring everything together in CapCut. First, upload all your video clips, including your narrator audio. Make sure each one is fully uploaded before moving on. Drag the clips onto the timeline in the order that matches your script. Take your time to line them up correctly. You can zoom in on the timeline to see everything clearly. Next, we'll add sound effects. Click on the Audio tab, browse the effects, and preview them by clicking Play. When you find the right sound, add it to your timeline. Place the sounds carefully so they match the actions and dialogue. Now, let's add transitions between clips. Click on Transitions, drag your choice between two clips, and adjust the duration so it's smooth. Repeat for every scene change. Once the audio and transitions are set, apply a filter for a consistent look. I recommend Clear 2, but you can choose any filter you like. You can apply it to the whole video or to individual clips. Finally, it's time to export. Click Export, select the highest resolution, 4K, and wait for the video to render. This might take a few minutes depending on your system and video length, so be patient. Dzine AI is truly a game changer. It's your one-stop platform for everything: editing images, creating videos, game assets, product photography, print-on-demand designs, and more. Plans start at $9 per month, but the creator plan at $20 unlocks almost everything. Go yearly and save 22%. Check the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.